Okay, here we go. Here's what's happening. I have a WFA weather alert day in effect. It's for Thursday, okay? Now, we're going to have rain tomorrow, but I believe it's going to be more impactful on Thursday. So, the impact on Thursday, it's going to be some thunderstorms that could have some hail up to quarter size. Small hail, but it could be up to quarter size. Some gusty winds, 40 to 50, maybe up to 60 miles an hour. And I think more likely than anything else, especially late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and on Thursday, some brief heavy rain. So what you need to stay updated. You need to have a way to receive warnings. You need to download the WFAA app. Right now, we have some thunderstorms that are out here anywhere from Lubbock on up toward Childress. As these move toward the Dallas-Fort Worth area overnight, they will be in a weakening trend. They're trying to weaken right now. We have some hail and also some wind associated with these thunderstorms. This green box, the yellow box are severe thunderstorm warnings. The green box is a flash flood warning that we have in effect. We don't have any tornado warnings out here, and that's all certainly good news. But a weakening trend as it moves toward the Dallas-Fort Worth area. There we are at 11. Watch this. Here we are. Bowie to Decatur to Mineral Wells, Granbury and Stephenville. Some rain, maybe an embedded thunderstorm or 2 or 3. That's 2 o'clock in the morning. And there we are at 5 o'clock in the morning. Let's say 4 to 7 is my window, my 3-hour window of time where we'll have some showers and rain, some heavy rain, and maybe a thunderstorm or 2 in the Metroplex. Unfortunately, it's just in time for the morning commute. It's not 100% coverage of rain during that time, but pretty decent coverage, 4 to 7 a.m. Here we are at 7 a.m. and then by noon, so we'll have that rain around early in the morning, not 100% coverage, but the rain will be around early in the morning. And then it's just scattered as we head through the afternoon. You see there's 2 p.m. It's not like it's widespread or anything. 5 p.m., 7 p.m., but a scattering of showers and thunderstorms. And the severe threat, it's not 0, but it's really, really low. On a scale of 1 to 5, it's about a half of 1. Okay, but it's still a possibility for some hail and also some wind. This isn't like a baseball-sized hail situation. It's not a tornado situation. It's not an 80-mile-an-hour wind situation. But again, some gusty winds and some small hail can't be ruled out. And here we are at 9 o'clock tomorrow night, and then more rain, or 9 a.m. on Thursday. More rain moves in on Thursday. There's noon Thursday. Pretty decent shot as we head through Thursday afternoon. Then by Thursday night, we start to dry out. And then we set the stage and we do it all again as we head through Friday. A scattering of showers and thunderstorms on Friday as well. And then we start to dry out Friday night, and we have a low chance of rain as we head through Sunday. So about 60% of us see rain tomorrow. Highest coverage is in the morning. 70% of us see rain on Thursday. Highest coverage in the afternoon. 60% of us see rain on Friday. The best time will be late morning, early afternoon, and a little rain as we head through Saturday. And right now, Sunday is dry. How much will we pick up? Could see here in the Metroplex, a ½ an inch to an inch, some higher amounts. Areas to the northwest of the Metroplex that had a lot of rain over the last handful of days. You could see the highest amounts, 2 to 4 inches of rain, then about a ½ an inch to an inch up here in northeast Texas. My forecast tonight, 64. Increasing clouds. That rain develops overnight as I just walked through the timing, but 60% of us see rain late tonight, and that's what we start with tomorrow morning. 60% of us see rain, then just a scattering of rain the rest of the day. 80 degrees, that's the high tomorrow. There's the next 14 days. There's the WFA weather alert day on Thursday. We'll hit 78. Scattered rain on Friday, a little bit of rain on Saturday. Everyone's dry on Sunday and Monday, and then a little bit of rain as we head through Tuesday, only 20% coverage. The final 7 of the 14 days, boy, I wish we had more rain in that forecast. We just don't. We end the month of April with a little bit of rain. We start the first 6 days of May with not much rain at all. So we're in the wettest time of the year right now, and we're not that wet. We need some rain, because if we don't get it as we head through April and May, then it just gets hot and extremely dry and very uncomfortable, and Cynthia gets real crabby as we head through June, July, and August.